Review the communication alarm instructions to confirm dimensions and mounting requirements before starting any wiring. Mounting and wiring may vary, depending on the type of communication alarm used in your installation. The communication alarm is designed to be installed inside a hallway elevator communication failure enclosure. Refer to the installation instructions and mount the unit behind the speaker panel. Mount the provided transformer inside the same enclosure. Connect the secondary wires from the transformer to the 12 to 24 volt AC/DC supply terminals. Insert them into the top 2 slots for the 12 to 24 volt input. Then, connect the primary wires of the transformer to the 120 volt AC power source. Next, connect the shielded pair wires from the external relay 1 port on the car station to the communication alarm, ensuring the shielded pair is grounded in the machine room to reduce interference. Insert the wires into the 2 middle slots located just below the top 2 supply wires. These terminals are labeled Alarm on the back of the board. If an override switch is used in the installation, connect it to the communication alarm. Use standard 2-conductor wire and insert the wires into the remaining 2 slots on the terminal block. Finally, connect the rechargeable 9-volt battery to the snap connector. Plug the LED light into the header pins on the communication alarm, making sure the wires are oriented correctly. Red wire on the top pin, black wire in the middle, and green wire on the bottom. When the WUR-COM car station powers on, a volume slider will appear on the screen. Press the Yes button to increase the volume, and the No button to decrease it. To adjust the volume after startup, unplug the USB-C cable from the top of the car station, then plug it back in to reboot the unit and bring up the volume slider again.